Hey everyone, I'm Joy Ackerman here with the Dan Plowman Team Realty, and today I'm super excited to show you guys our newest listing at 574 Antigua Crescent. I'm going to turn the camera around here so that you guys can see the neighborhood for yourself. It's gorgeous. Okay, perfect. Here we go. So here's a front view of the property. It's a detached 2-car garage, 5-level backsplit. So I'm super excited for you guys to see the inside. It's a lot of house. Okay, so here's a panoramic view of the neighborhood. Okay, nice and quiet. You can hear the birds chirping. All right, so let's go inside now. And let's see, I'm excited. There's a lot of space. When I first came in here, I was like, wow, this is a lot of house. Okay, so now I'm at the front entryway here. So I just stepped into the property. You can see it's hardwood flooring all throughout, squeaky clean. And there's a fireplace right there. Feel free to let me know if I'm going too fast or if I'm like scanning the property too quickly. So as you can see there are pot lights on the ceiling. And it opens right up to the living room, dining area. Okay, so the first door here that we see is the garage. So you have access into the garage, which is nice. Big, spacious, clean garage here. And it also has the door opener, which is great. So I'll give you guys a closer look here into the dining and living room and the fireplace as well. It's California shutters throughout the home, so you guys will see that when we go throughout the house, which is nice. All the windows are newer as well. Okay, so the first room we're gonna enter into is the kitchen. So the kitchen is granite countertops and also granite backsplash. I'll give you guys a closer view as well. Really well maintained. California shutters as well. You see the dishwasher. Here, I'm gonna try and go slow for you guys because I have the tendency to go too fast. Okay, so we're gonna head upstairs first. Remember, it's a 5-level backsplit, so we're just at the beginning. We're just getting started. Okay, so it's hardwood flooring upstairs as well in all the bedrooms. So there's 3 bedrooms up here. So we're gonna head to the, let's go into the bathroom. So here we have a 5-piece bathroom, beautifully updated, double sinks. Hi. We also have our tub here. And my personal favorite is the standing all glass shower. I love a good standing glass shower. Give you guys a better view. Okay, and a cute toilet. Sorry guys, I like to giggle, it's just who I am. Okay, so the next one here is the master bedroom. So we have a his and hers closet here. So I will give you guys, I'm just gonna open it up for you. So just a regular closet. California shutters there. Now let's head over into, well, here we have another closet actually. Could be used as linen, could be used as anything. Well, the linen closet's over there. Here's the next bedroom. Okay, here we have discovered the linen closet. Great size, great location, just tucked in perfectly into the corner here. And we have our second biggest bedroom here, California shutters as well. And our closet, which is nice. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys so that you guys can see. Lots of space here for all of your extra clothing. Okay, so we're done on the upper level. So I'm gonna go now to the lower level. So here you guys can just see the view from when you're coming downstairs. Really nice open layout. I love how the dining and the living room is combined, and the front door is right there. And the kitchen isn't isolated from everything, right? That's always nice. Exactly, Tammy. I know I need extra closet space. That's me right there. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so now we have the family room here. So take it in, it's a lot of house. We just had the living room upstairs, and now we have the family room, and it's a big room. Okay. That's a little nice extra touch there so that you can also, you're not super isolated in the kitchen. From the kitchen, you can always chat to those who are down here lounging around in the family room. Okay, extra fireplace here. So we have the one upstairs and this one as well. More California shutters, which is nice, and a walkout here to the backyard, which we're going to check out. Let's go in there right now, actually. Okay. Gorgeous, isn't it? It's always nice seeing healthy green grass. It just makes me happy. Okay, so now we're in the backyard here, and we have a concrete patio, which is amazing, and it's also covered. So even if it's a rainy day, you can still come out, get some fresh air, you know, chat over coffee or tea, and just enjoy the fresh air regardless of whether it's rain or shine. I think that's an awesome feature. Okay, so it's a big patio space here. There's a full table here, so just try and imagine the amount of space that you have. The yard is gorgeous. I know, Miranda. Okay, so here is another panoramic view. As I told you guys when I first started, it backs onto a ravine, so a lot of privacy here. Okay. Thanks, Caitlin. So what you guys are looking at right now is actually the seller. He does a lot of gardening and planting of vegetables. So this is a gorgeous feature here. How amazing is that you can plant your own vegetables in your own backyard? For me, I think that's amazing. I love some good and fresh veggies, so that's awesome. Okay. The fence is in great condition as well. Oh, just look at that green grass. It just makes me so happy. Okay, so that's just a little view of the siding of the home. All brick, which is nice. So we're going to head back inside. I really want to just chill out here right now. I'm sure you guys do as well. Okay, so let's head back inside and check out the rest of this spacious home. What's your favorite feature so far? We've only gone through half of the house so far, so stay tuned. But what's your favorite feature? For me, I love the backyard. It's gorgeous. Okay, so there's another walkout door here with the lock and everything. And surprise, surprise, we have another 4-piece washroom here on the lower level. So we have the bathtub, toilet, sink, everything, which is great. We have our closet. More closet space, right, Tammy? And now here we have another room. It's used as an office, but it can honestly be used as a bedroom as well. Just stick a closet in the corner here and you're good to go, which is nice. So technically it's even 4 bedrooms. Great space. Okay. So we're gonna head now to the next level. So just bear with me watching my steps. Wouldn't be fun if I fell, would it? Okay. So, huge space. I know when I first came into this house, I was like, wow. There's basically a rec area, dining room, whatever you want to use this space as. It's huge. He has a little treadmill here and a second kitchen. So we have the kitchen upstairs and a second kitchen down here. A lot of house. Okay, so that's a great view here. Ceiling fan that's going, everything is looking good. And we have another washroom right here with another standing shower. And the toilet, and then another door here that leads into the laundry room. Another mirror. It's always nice to have mirrors. And that's the furnace. Okay. Now we're not done yet. There's more, which is awesome. So we're gonna head over to the last level in the house. You could call it the basement, whatever you'd like to call it. Fully finished, beautiful flooring with the pot lights as well in the basement. So just imagine all the things you could use for this space here. It could be whatever you want it to be. Okay, just set up even a nice man cave or anything you want it to be, really, a rec room. There's just so many possibilities with this property. Okay, so we're heading back upstairs. I'm gonna go slowly just so that you can see everything for yourself. Feel free to leave some feedback, guys. The house is gorgeous. Let me know or comment down below your favorite feature. I'm heading upstairs. I'm gonna go slow. Okay. So here's the family room. Once again. And we're heading upstairs once more. It's 5 levels. So much room, right? Yes, exactly. You got it, Miranda. Perfect for blended families. Okay, so now we're back to the main level of the house. So I'm going to give you guys a quick view of everything once. Yes, Joanne, it's a lot of house. At first, I even got confused when I first came in the house. I was like, wait, where are we? Like, it's just so much property and I love it. So many possibilities for what you can do for every single room. So this property, Miranda, is listed for $725. Great neighborhood in the highly sought after North Glen community in Oshawa. I'm just heading upstairs one more time because why not? Give you guys one last view. Gorgeous bathroom here. And all the bedrooms are good sizes as well. Enough space for a bed, you know, a dresser. Just taking the layout, it's great. Nice and open, great for socializing, not too many walls. I can feel like I can breathe in this house and I love it. Okay, and we're heading back to the front door. I'm gonna wrap up soon. Okay, guys, so that's everything here. I hope you guys enjoyed the live. It's a beautiful property. Lots of house, as I've said multiple times, and you guys have noticed in the comments as well. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Give me a call. Once again, it is 725. It's 574. Okay. Sorry, listed at 725, and it's 574 Antigua Crescent. You get distracted by the beauty, you know? So yeah, guys, feel free, comment down below, share this video, and give me a call if you guys are interested. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye, guys.